we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you are likely doomed.
Rex!
Good luck! You gonna need it.
Parents, this is Centurion Barrett again. We're having a little bit of trouble with our ship's airlock, and it appears we need to open it manually. Now, no one has ever had to do that before, and to be perfectly honest, we don't know where the instructions are on how to open it. We're looking everywhere, and we do appreciate your patience. Please remain seated. We will have this solved and get you back to the mission as quickly as possible. What? We have to open the airlock? Oh, we got it. You're good to go. Let's do this.
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing. What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
All the way. Oh, crap. This prophecy is the big bang. I see.
We gotta get that generator. It's the only way.
The generator. But not for long.
Of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship to do you.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well, then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Where's that cake to us?